Hello there, this is Chris Johns here at Guaranteed Rate Mortgage, and I wanted to talk with you today about the initial disclosures in a home loan transaction. So once you complete your online application, you will be seeing an electronic application come through for signatures. And I like to call this initial application the rough draft of our book. Now, when you start going through that, you may see a few things that are inaccurate, such as maybe your bank balances on there are different, or your credit card balances are different. Maybe there's an employment start date that is off by a little bit, or your down payment amount is a little different than what you intend. I want you to know that's okay. We're going to be working on this rough draft of our book for about 3 weeks to get it all dialed in. So in that time, we want to make sure that it's perfect by the time you get to the closing table. So just as a quick reminder, I want you to make sure, don't panic when you're seeing a few of those inaccuracies. Go ahead and complete your signing, and that will give us the ability to then edit those things. So if you see something that's a little bit off, feel free to email, call, or text someone on my loan team, and we will help get those fixed so that when we get to the closing table, everything's right on the money. So just want to make sure that you guys know that, and we are here to help guide you on your path to financial wellness. And thanks so much for watching this video. We'll talk with everyone soon. Take care.